my dear student. How are you? I am fine, and I am very yes. I will hope. Yeah, I'm hopeful for you. You will okay fine. I'm your science teacher from Ismailia Youth Services School. Before starting the lesson, I have some instruction for you. Listen the lecture carefully. Don't raise the hand during lecture. When if you have any question, query, difficulty, so you can write in your chat box. I will give you permission during the activity. You will participate in it. Okay. Use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for the computer. Feed your ID and password very carefully. Okay. If there is any disconnectivity during the lecture, try to join lecture again within a 5 to 10 minutes. Do all homework in your fair copy. Take the screenshot of slides. Open your book, Oxford Science. Everyone, open your book. Okay, this is your science book. The topic is unit number 1 and topic name the human body. Clear? Everyone, if you have a book, so everyone open your book page number 2. And if you don't have a book, so everyone purchase the third edition of a new Oxford Primary Science. Okay. Okay, now the slide number 1. We come on the topic. Yes, the topic is the human body. Everyone know about the human body? Everyone know about the human body? Can you? Yes, can you tell me about, yes, okay. Today's objective of this lesson, we will learn the human body. In this lesson, we will learn more things. First one objective of this lesson, our body is made up of many body parts. Each part of the body has the name. Each part of body has a job to do. People look different from each other. Our body is made up of many parts, mean our body is made up of different parts. Just like we have a hand, leg, foot, hair, neck, shoulder, elbow. So these all parts make up the human body. Each part of the body has the name. I am saying the different name of the body. Can you tell me the some name of the body? Okay. Can you tell me? Okay. I will unmute you. Raise your hand. I will unmute you. Yes, Arham Khan. Can you tell me the name of the body parts? Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes, Hadi. Yes. You will write the correct. Yes. Okay. I will unmute you. Give me the answer. Muhammad Azan. Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Okay. Yes. Give me the answer. Can you tell me some body parts? Yes, Obed, tell me. I will unmute. Yes, unmute yourself and give me the answer. Any body parts. If you have feeling any difficulty, so you can write in your chat box. Okay, you can write. Arham, Faisal, okay, Hania. Yes, you can write in your chat box. Ayan Umar, yes, you can write in your chat box. Yes, Kashan, yes, you can write mouth, very good. Thumb, very nice. A.R. Kashan. Muhammad, yes. Toe, yes, very good. Feed. Muhammad, yes, very nice. Very good. It's mean you are active. Okay? Okay, now, after it, this is the first page of your book. Everyone open this page. Everyone open it. Now, yes, okay, okay. Very good, very nice. Open your book, page number 2, part 1, ourselves, unit number 1, the human body. In the human body, when we look in the mirror, okay? Everyone, you can do it, this activity. Okay, you can look your body in your mirror. You see your body has the different body parts. Your body is made up of many parts. Each part of your body has a name. Okay, in this picture we have the name of the body parts. In this, the front side, and this is the back side. Okay, in the front side, yes, tell me, everyone read with me. Okay, okay, yes. Eh, in this way you can, mostly student can easily participate with me. Okay, you will read all body parts with me. Air, very good. Nose, very nice. Mouth, very good. Chest, stomach, thumb, knee, toe, very good. Finger, arm, chin, teeth, eye, very good. Okay, now the back side, here, very nice. Neck, shoulder, elbow, back, hand, leg, foot. These all parts are called the different parts of the body, and each part has the name. Okay, everyone know about these names? Okay, these body parts perform the different type of the function. There are so many parts, and each part perform the different type of the function. Just we have a ear, so we hear the sound by the ear. Okay, by the help of our ear we can hear the sound. So it's a mean ear has a different type of the function. By this nose we can smell any fragrance. Okay, so it's mean the different type of the function of a nose has. So it's mean all the different parts have the different function, different jobs. Okay, we can use the word jobs. Okay, the function we will not use is difficult for you. So you can say the different body parts have the different jobs. Okay, it's mean all body parts perform the different jobs, different function, different work. Okay, okay. Now our body parts is made up of the many body parts. Each part of the body has the name. Can you, yes, now, everyone, if you want to give me the answer, okay, most student raising your hand, so you can write the name of the body parts in your chat box, and yes, in your chat box, write the name. Any two body parts you can write. Okay, bete. Sayed Almira, if you want to participate in my class, so you can write the answer in your chat box. Okay, Almira? Okay, Hussein, write the answer. Very good, very nice. Mostly students write the different body parts in there. 11 students are here. They are, yes. Okay, I will unmute yourself. Obed, unmute yourself and tell me about the any two body parts. Yes, yes. Raza, Hussein Raza. Obed, tell me. Ubed, tell me again any two body parts. Ubed, yes. Ubed, do you want to give me the answer? Okay, very nice. Yes, Mohammed Azam, tell me any two body parts. Unmute yourself and tell me the body parts. Okay, yes. Hasnain Raza Kazmi, yes. Okay, yes, yes, very good, very good. Yes. Hmm. Okay, now the different body parts have the different type of the jobs in this body or parts of the body. In this picture you can observe the face of any student or any boy, and they have the different body parts. One by one you will read with me. Okay, these are the hairs. Wow, this is the eyebrow, very nice. And these are eyes, very good. This is the ear, very good. Cheek, this is the chin, this is the tongue, very good. And these are lips. Very good. Neck. Okay. And this is face. Very good. Okay. Okay. These are the hands, and hand has fingers. Okay. Very good. This is the thumb. The shoulder. It's the shoulder part. Very good. This is the chest. Very nice. Good. Okay. Now, yes. Now, the next one slide, body parts. Now, in this picture, you will tell me the parts of the body. This is called, yes, this is the body, and these are the different parts of the body. Okay, it's mean it's complete by these. Okay, and each part of the body perform the different type of the jobs. It's mean face do the different job. We can easily identify anyone. It's used for hand used for touching, feeling, hot, cold, pain, pressure. We can easily, and we can lift the things, we can hold the things by using hands. Okay, it's mean they have a different type of the function. Okay, so third one, legs. It's using, we are using for the walking. Yes, jumping, running. Yeah, very good, very nice. And toe. Yes, yes, that's also, yes, we can do, yes, we take the help in exercise. Very nice. Okay, these all are the different body parts. Okay, there are so many body parts, but here are just four, and everyone know about this. Okay, now, now there are the, okay, Obed, do you want to say something? Yes, Obed, do you want to say something? Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Yes, okay, okay. Yes, there are the different senses organ. Just these body parts do the different jobs, just like it's the nose. Okay, these are the eyes. Okay, they are blinking. Okay, and observing you. So everyone listen that lesson carefully. Okay, and pay the attention on it. These are the legs, and these are your ear. They pick up the sounds. Sound travel in waveforms. Okay, so our ear canal pick up the sounds, and we can easily hear what you are saying. Okay, okay. In this picture, we just learned today the different body parts. First, hair, head, face, neck, chest, arm, stomach, hand, leg, foot. Very good. Now, eyes, ear, nose, teeth, mouth, elbow, shoulder, finger, knee, toe. Very good. Very nice. These all are the body parts. And these all the parts do the different type of the work, do different type of the functions. When you look in the mirror, you see your body. Your body is made up of many parts. Each part of your body has a name. Okay, there are so many names of your body. Each part has a job to do. Just like we use our mouth to eat and speak. Okay, we use hands to hold the things. Yes, we use our feet to run, walk, or move. Okay, it's very good. Now, the different body parts are here. You will make the mind map and write the name of it. So, everyone, there are the different body parts, just like a ear, eyes, very good, ear, mouth, leg, chest, shoulder, head. These are the different body parts. Now, each part has a job to do. The different parts of the body do the different type of the function. In this picture, this is your page number 3. Okay? Everyone open your book page number 3. Yes, you can write any important thing with your pencil. Each part has a job to do. There are the three different body parts they are using, just like she use their mouth. We use our mouth to eat and speak. She is eating, taking ice cream. Okay. Now we use hand to hold things. By the holding of the pen, you can write on your paper. You can painting. You can writing. You can do the things. Okay. We use our feet to run, walk, move, jump, and by the help of your hand, leg, you can swim in the water. Okay? When you go into the pool, so you use your body for the movement inside your water. Use your hand, use your leg for the movement, for the covering distance. You use your different parts of your body. Okay? During the swimming. Okay? When you are playing any type of the game, so you are using your leg. Okay? When you take participate in any type of the game, so use your body, use your senses. Okay, we are all human beings. Do you know about the human beings? Who are the human beings? Can you tell me? Yes, I will unmute you. You will give me answer. If you feel any difficulty, so you can write in the chat box. Okay. Okay, do you know about the human beings? Who are the human beings? Yes, Obed, tell me. Muhammad Azan. Yes, tell me, Azan. Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Muhammad Azan, unmute. Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Okay, very good. Very nice. Okay. Yes, Kashan. Yes. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. We are human beings. Very good. Very good. Yes. Anyone? Yes, all the boys and girls are human beings. Very nice. Khizir? Yes. Okay. Yes. All the boys, man, woman, yes, and babies. Okay, yes, we are human beings. Okay, very nice. Now we will learn now the proper definition of it. Boys, girls, men, women, and babies. Okay, all are human beings. Again, everyone read with me. Boys, girls, men, women, and babies all are human beings. Our body, our body work in the same way, but we all look different. We can easily identify by the face. We can easily identify, yes, anyone. Yes, we can easily identify by their face. Okay? Yes, just like if the question will come in your exam, in your paper, what are the human beings? Define the human beings. First, you everyone know about there are the three living things: plants, all the plants, all animals, whether sea, aquatic, flying animals, different type of the animals, all are the livings. Okay, in a living things, yes, there are the three things are living things: humans, plants, and animal. Okay, and we are learn human beings, boys, girls, men, women, and babies, all are human beings. Very good. Our body work in the same way. If we walk, so you can walk by your leg. I am also walk with our legs. I write with our hands. You can also write with your hands. I sight with our eyes. You can also. I hear the sound with our ear. You can also. We all body parts have the same function, have the same work, but we all look different. In this picture, we can observe there are the different type of the peoples are here, and we can identify easily. This is the old lady, this is young man, old man, girl, baby, boy. We can all identify. Okay, we can all identify. These all have the same body parts and their body parts do the same function. Okay, but they look different because they have a gestures, body, face different. Okay, concept. Okay, in the next slide, this is your function of the body parts. Each part of body has a job to do. Example, hand used for holding the things. Just like I'm saying, when you will write on the paper, on the copy, so use your pen or pencil. Okay, so it's mean you are using your hand. Everyone can write easily by the hand. Okay, Hasnan. Yes, Hasnan. Okay, very nice. Yes, your answer is very correct. Okay, absolutely right. Very good. Very good. Khizr, very nice. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Khizr, yes, yes. Your correct answer. Yes. Hand used for holding the things. Leg used for walking. Just like we, you, and we, all the human beings walk with their legs. Okay. Our body parts do the work same, but we all identify everyone very easily. Okay, but we look different. Okay, part of the body, and there is are the functions. Okay, there are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 body parts are here, and these are the function. It's mean eyes. What is the function of the eye? What is the work of the eye? What the job of the eye? So there is a detail of it. In this slide, you can easily identify the function, identify the job, identify the work of these parts. These are the parts. First we read the parts. Eyes, ears, teeth, tongue, nose, and skin. Okay? And function of the body. Can you tell me the function of the eyes? Yes. Do you want to give me the answer about the eyes? Can you tell me the job of the eye? Yes. Yes. Right? Yes. Yes. Okay. Unmute yourself and give me the answer. SM. Yes. SM. Murtaza. Murtaza Raza. Give me the answer. Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Sayyida Almira. Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Okay. If you feel any difficulty, you can write in your chat box. Okay? Okay, okay. You can write in your chat box. You can write in your chat box. Okay. Right? Yes. Tassel. Yes, it's used for observing the things. Very nice. Khizr. Okay. Khizr, check your mic. Okay. Now, very good. Very nice. Eyes used for vision, used to see. We can easily observe the things, observe the object. We can easily observe by the using of the eyes. Very good. Ears. Very nice. Yes. Write in chat box. What is the function of the ear? Yes. Used to hear. Very good. Very good. Now teeth. Yes, by the help of the teeth, used to chew. When we take the food, yes, so we use our teeth for chewing the food. We can easily chew the food by using a teeth. Okay, so it helpful for the digestion. Okay, tongue used to taste. Yes, the tongue has the different parts. Okay, our tongue has the different taste buds. Our tongue covered by the different taste bud, and these taste bud identify the taste. So tongue used for tasting the food. Okay, very good. Now nose. No, very nice. Yes, nose is used to smell. Very good. Any type of fragrance we can easily identify by using our nose. Okay. Yes, skin. Yes, skin is our sensory organ also. Nose, skin, ear, eyes. Okay, these all the senses organ, and our skin. By the help of the skin, we can easily feel and or touch the things. We can identify the which type of things, cold, hot, soft, hard, and we can feel the pressure. Okay, by help of the skin. These are the different type of the function of these parts of the body. These are the parts of the body, and there are the functions of the body parts. Okay, eyes used for vision, used to see. Very good. Ears used to hear the sound. Very good. Teeth used to chew the food. Very nice. Tongue used to taste food. There are the different type of food we eat. Sometimes we eat the chips. So this is the salty. Okay. Okay. Different type of custard, chocolate we take. These are the sweet. So we can easily identify the different type of the taste by using a tongue. Okay. Tongue is our also senses organ. Okay. Everyone know it? Yes. Very good, Bide. Now nose used to smell. Nose used to smell by the help of the nose, because nose is our sensory organ. Everyone know it? This is the sensory organ. We can identify the different type of the fragrance by using a nose. Okay. So nose, yes, yes, very good. Okay, Khizr? Yes. Okay. Now nose used to smell. Now, last one is skin. By the help of the skin, we can feel or touch the things. When we feel or touch any type of the thing, so we can easily, yes, 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 yes. If you want to give me the answer, so you can write in the, yes, do you want skin? Skin used for feeling or touching. Or bad, do you want to give me the answer? Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Obed, do you want to say something? Unmute yourself and give me answer. Do you know about the skin function? Now you will tell me the function of these organs. Okay. First you see eyes, ears, teeth, tongue, nose, skin. And now you will give me the answer. If is it easy, you can give me the answer. Hasan Ali, give me the answer. Can you give me the answer of function of eyes? Yes, Obed. Obed, unmute yourself and give me the answer.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Eyes, the function of the eyes.
Ma'am, please tell me the homework
He's
Okay,
telling the
very good.
homework.
in
So,
chat.
I
yes,
see.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम, एक्चुअली हमारे पास की आवाज आना एकदम
okay.
से बंद हो
Eyes,
गई है एंड वी
ears,
आर अनएबल टू
teeth,
हेयर यू. प्लीज आप एटलीस्ट चैट में
eyes,
सवाल जवाब जो आप करवाना
ears, teeth, tongue, nose, and skin. Okay, and they have a different type of the function. Okay, eyes used for vision, used to see. Third, second one, ears used for hearing the sound. Teeth used for chewing the food. Tongue used for tasting. Nose used for smelling. Skin, by the help of the skin, we can feel or touch any type of the things. Okay. Now, next slide. We are human beings. Everyone learn about it. What are the? Do you know about the human beings? Yes, boys, girls, men, women, and babies are all human beings. Our bodies work in the same way, but we all look different. Okay? Yes, similarities between the human beings. Okay, similarities between the human beings, it means they have the same body parts, just like similarities between the all people are, all are the human beings. We all have the similar body parts. Example, two eyes, two ears, one nose, and etc. There are so many different parts. We have two eyes, two ears, one nose, one mouth, two hands, and two legs. Okay. Now, okay. In the next slide, difference between the human beings. People are different from each other, are in many ways. Sometimes some are male, some are females. Okay. Younger, some are younger and some are older. Okay. Taller and shorter. Types of the hairs. They have the different type of the hair. Some have the black hair, some have the brown hair. Okay. Some have the long hair, some have the short hair, some have silky hair. Okay. So different type of the hairs they have, and some have the skin color differently. Just like some have the fair color, some are the normal, some are the black color. So they have the different colors. They, in this picture you can observe the different type of the peoples are here. They have the different body parts are same, but some peoples look differently by the different these things. Some are male, some are females, you can observe here. Some are younger, some are older. Okay. She's just like older, taller and shorter. Some have a height and some have a short height. Some have the different types of the hair, means different type of the colors. Some have the straight, some have the curly hairs, some have the golden hair, some have the black hair, and some people have the different skin color. Okay. Now, in the homework, home task, take the screenshot of this slide. Everyone, take the screenshot of it. Do the book page number 6, question number 1. Write 10 parts of the body names. Everyone, write it in your fair copy. Okay. Okay. Who are we? So you will write here the we are the human beings, and write the different, define the human beings definition. You will write here the boys, girls, man, woman, and babies. All are human beings. Okay. And this question's answer, you will write the definition of the human beings. Okay. Now, third question is how the people are different from each other. How the people are different from each other. So you can take the help from this slide. You can take the help from this slide. Some are the male, some are female, some are the younger, some are older. Take the screenshot of this. Taller, shorter, types of the hair, different skin color they have. Everyone take the screenshot of it. Okay. Okay, this is your home task. In this home task, you will write, yes, take the screenshot of this slide. First question we have discussed. Second question we have already discussed with you. Third question, everyone note here. Everyone note, slide, previous slide, question number 3, answer in this slide. So you can take the screenshot of this slide. This is the answer of question number 3. Okay, good. Now the question number 4. In the question number 4, write function of parts of body. Write function of parts of body. Okay. So you will write the function mouth, hands, feet, eyes, nose, teeth, ear, and nose. Okay. Yes. By the help of the previous slide, you can take the help from slides. Yes. Okay. Question number 1, write 10 parts of the body. So you can write easily name, because in our page number 2 there are the so many body parts, so you can easily write the 10 body parts. Question number 2 is there, who are we? So you will write here human beings. We are human beings, and write the definition of the human beings. On a page number 2 there is a definition of the human beings: boys, girls, man, woman, and babies. All are human beings. This is the answer of question number 2. Okay, Kashan? Is it clear? Muhammad Hashir, Khizr, is it clear? Okay. Now, who are we? So in this answers, you will write, we are human beings, boys, girls, man, woman, and babies, all or are human beings. Okay. Question number 3, how the peoples are different from from each other. Okay. So take the screenshot of this slide. This is the answer of question number 3. Okay. By the help of this slide, you can write the answer. Okay, on a first page, you will write your data. Okay, and second page, okay, first page, you will write your face sheet, name, class, subject, roll number. On second page, you will make the title page of first term, 2021 to 2022. Okay, third page, you will write, take the screenshot of it. There is a solve activity. Okay, take the screenshot of it. This is important. Okay, take the screenshot of it because it's solved. Okay, done. Take the screenshot of this slide. Okay, bete.